What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, my friends. The last 2 days have been nothing short of exceptional. We've had the FOMC, which we crushed yesterday, and then today we came back, guys, and just absolutely hammered it as well, guys. So I'm going to be breaking down everything for you. I'm going to be talking about my anchors, showing you my live callouts, as well as I have a great update on the small account challenge, guys. We've officially doubled the small account. And I'm so grateful for that. So thank you, my friends, for being here. Let's step into the war zone. So who do we have first and foremost? Let me just shout you guys out. Eddie, STK, Trading Wars Army. Gus, Evo, Eric Brown, Trading Wars Army. Joseph, Tyler, Marcelo, Ernesto, Edwin, Trading Wars Army. Jay Villa, Gringo Loco, Trading Wars Army. Tony, Trading Wars Army. Brady, Brendan, Bad Indy, Trading Wars Army. Steve, and Dane, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? All right. So let's go ahead here. First, we will go to the 5-minute chart. And as always, guys, the first thing we need to do is mark up our chart with the previous day's high and low. So I'm going to go ahead, hit the replay, and I'm going to mark up this chart. And I'm going to show you exactly what we did today. Very good trading, guys. Very exceptional trading in the last 2 days. Very happy with the progress we've been able to make. And, these last 2 days have made enough money to cover a good bit of months. And sometimes in trading, when it's there and it's ready for you, you have to hit it hard and you have to make money, because the market is going to always be up and down, and there's going to be times where you don't make money. So when the opportunity is there, you have to hit it. Okay. So I'm just going here to our trigger trades. Our line in the sand long was 402, and that's a very important line. And I want you to keep this line in your mind throughout the day. Okay. So right here, we're just going to go ahead, coordinates 402.00, and we're just going to hit the text style, and make this green. Okay. All right. Okay, so here we go. So let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see it. All right. So the first thing, I'm going to go overhead to my live commentary. So the first thing we did here, guys, at the open, I said, good morning, friends. Our long trigger is 402. We're just under that right now. We will likely fill it at the open. Keep the size small to protect gains from this week. So we got filled long, guys. Like I said, right at the open, you can see 9:30 Eastern. We got filled right at the open. Let me just show you. Let's go down to the 1-minute chart so you can see this clearly. So the green line is where we're looking to go long. Boom. So we get filled right there, guys. And whenever we get filled right away at the open, I'm very aggressive with my profit taking. I do not play games. And with futures contracts, guys, this move here is more than enough. So the green line is our entry, and our stop loss, we were able to get it right below this opening candle at first. So basically here, you're risking just a little tiny bit here to make a big upside. All right. So let me just show you that. So we hit 402.40, then 402.70. Those are my first two targets. And then we came back in here, guys, for a break even right over there. Okay. So we got good push here, guys. And remember, this is why I always have the previous day's high drawn as a reference, because you could see that this was acting as a barrier at the beginning of the day. And that's why I aggressively took profits. Let's go ahead. Let me just duplicate this here, and let's go to MES, and let's talk about ES. Let's talk about the potential on that move, okay, in terms of points and stuff, because I really want to open your mind to trading, futures in general. It's such a powerful tool that a lot of people don't know about. So let's go back here. Here's the open. Okay. So we got filled right around the body of this candle. So taking it from the body straight up to the high, that's about 9.5 points. Okay. So at least 5 points, guys, at least 5 points, 5 points on one contract. That's $250. Okay. That's a good play right there. That's definitely a good play. So started off with a scalp, and then right here, guys, I utilized one of my special tactics, let's say. So if you remember, we had the FOMC yesterday with this low that came in. So if we look here, this low, which was 395.74, right here was a major low before we took off. All right. And I want you guys to be able to see this with me right now. Okay. Can you see that this is a major candle? Because I'm going to explain how I came up with this lotto trade that I took in the room today. Can you see the low of this candle? Can you see how big this candle is? Hit me with a 1 if yes. Anytime you have a news event or any type of spectacular announcement or whatever that happens in the stock market, you're going to get overly sized candles, big monster candles. And those candles, guys, have algorithms in there. There's algorithms in this candle. Okay, there's algorithms that took this candle. It's not just me and you. It's not just your aunt from New Zealand. Okay, this is big money. So whenever we have big money, guys, that's when I like to say, okay, you know what? I'm going to use this as an anchor for my fib. So let me show you two things, and I want you to watch this very carefully. Okay. Listen very, very carefully. So right after this, guys, I drew up the FOMC Fibonacci leg, and I used that here. So I went over to the 15 as well, so I could see it a little bit clearer, because on the 15, guys, we had the Nirvana, right? So we had the Nirvana. So that was also confirmation. So I used the candlestick and I used that big candle. I said, okay, this is my anchor right at this low. And I went into the room and I said, okay, guys, I might take a small lotto here on the FOMC. Anyone up for round two? I said, if we get a retest of the level, we'll take a Friday lotto. If not, I'll pass. So right here, guys, I got long. So this is 10-10. I said long lotto here, full risk into Friday. So we went long right when we came into the golden zone here at 10-10. Okay. And let me just show you this now. Let me go over to the Twitter, because, there was some people trolling me this morning, and I said, you know what? If you guys want to roll like that, it's all good. So I'm gonna drop a bomb. I'm gonna drop a winner today. So I tweeted this at 10 o'clock. I said, so SPY, my long runner, got stopped out, but got 2 targets. So that was the trigger. Here is the FOMC Fed Fibonacci leg using their announcement as the low anchor. Watch the golden zone here for a lotto, already holding the 618 fib. So I went ahead and I tweeted this out too, guys, because just to remind people, man, like, look, this is serious to me. It's not a game. It's not a game. The people that I work with, my community, it's very serious for me. I take it very seriously. It's not a joke. It's people's money. Okay. It's my money. I put my guys. There are some people on Twitter that admitted recently that they don't trade, but they draw charts. I don't understand that. So for me, it's important to practice what I preach. So what we did here, guys, I take that fib from the low to the high. Okay. And remember, this is also very important as well, because we're still in the range. So here's the range of the FOMC. We're still in it. We never broke out of it. Okay. We never broke out of it. We never did. So that's also very important. So right here, guys, let me go back to the 15, because I used the Nirvana as the anchor. So the Nirvana, I use that as the anchor. Okay. So I'll go here to here, low 395.47. That's how I like to combine the candlesticks as well. Because the candlestick, like a Nirvana, I know a Nirvana is a powerful pattern. That's why my indicator finds it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like putting a puzzle together. So here we go. So we're here into the golden zone now. Here's your 50 to your 786. So we came in here, and then I'll have to go down to the 1 minute chart to show you what I saw, like why I wanted to get long. Okay. So let's go down to the 1 minute chart. So we came all the way into the zone, and then you could see here, guys, on the first attempt at the 618, we got long, right? So that we popped, but I didn't take it there. Instead, I waited for us to come down and put in this big red bar. You see this big red bar? This one. This big red bar was, okay, the bears they're here. They're on this bar. So I waited for this high of this bar to break right there. Then I entered. So I waited for a confirmation, guys. On the lower time frame, I waited for the confirmation to see it. I wanted to see it. I saw the bear. There's the bear. It came in, and then when it turned back there, boom, I pulled the trigger. See, that's 10-10. And then right here in my Discord here, at 10-10, long lotto here, full risk into Friday. All right. Does that make sense? Hit me with a 2. Does that make sense, guys? Right. And then I also called it out on Twitter, guys. I gave a lot today. So make sure you follow the Twitter. Make sure you follow Twitter, guys, because from there, anyone could have caught this right with me. Anybody. All right. And every week, I always try on Twitter. I always try to go and give you guys at least 1 or 2 freebies. I always try, because that's the reason I am where I am today was by proving to people in real time that I can trade. That's the only reason. And anybody out there that's trying to get started in this game, prove to people for free first that you can make it, that you can make money. Prove it. If you don't prove it, then don't go around selling subs. Okay? Prove it. And I've done that, guys. And that's why I always do it, because I want to show people this is my life. It's important to me. Okay? So from here, guys, we came in here. Let's go back to the 5 here. So we're here in the golden zone, guys. So we even tested that 618 multiple times. You can see we held that 618 multiple times, guys. And there she goes. Okay. And remember now, let me put back the long trigger, because some people weren't as confident with that, taking that place. So they waited right here for the long trigger. So the long trigger was 402, remember? So we came back here, guys, to 402, and we pierced that and exploded. So there was 3 great trading opportunities today. 3 great opportunities. The first trigger, the Fibonacci, and then the second time. Remember, this is the V trigger. Look here. V trigger, right? Remember what I tell you, the second time it breaks a level is usually a lot more powerful because any bears that were up here, guys, they have to cover their position. So there we go, guys. Just a beautiful, exponentially great day, man. And I'm very, very happy. These last 2 days have got me really fired up, man, because I make good money. And I also feel like my message is getting out there. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. So I have this brother here, Dane, 350 profit today off the bounce on MES. Well done, brother. Appreciate you. So right here, guys, and here we go. Here's MNQ. Remember, guys, let's go ahead here. Let's go. This is how you find my stuff. This is what we're going to do here. So we're going to type in @TradingWars, and we're going to type in NQ. So watch. I'm going to show you. I shared this play because I told you guys I felt like this could be a once-in-a-lifetime play. So the first thing that we did here was I shared this double inside bar. So if I go to the weekly here, you can see there was the double inside bar. And I shared it with you guys. I shared it with you guys live a few weeks ago. We have some spamming scammers in here. Let's get rid of them. We don't have room for those guys. No room. All right. So we had that double inside bar, right? And I just want to show you the journey here, guys, because I succeeded in the small account challenge. All right. So the first time that I got long here, so you can see May 28th. So I drew up I had the Fibonacci's here on the 50. Okay. So yeah, so it started here, May 28th. So let me show you how I got into this trade. So I started off here with the weekly. What I did, guys, the Fibonacci is such a damn powerful tool. Look at this. High to low here. We came on the 618. Okay, so we came on, just like we do it on the 5 and the 3-minute chart, same thing. We came on the 618 and we traded to the extensions. So the 272 right onto this 50. And that's where I said, you know what? I'm going to try it here, guys. The market is down 30% from highs, 33% from highs. I'm going to give it a shot. So I went here to the daily and you see this inside bar right here, guys. I got in at 11,291, pretty much when that inside bar closed. So I got in right there, guys. And we have been on a magnificent rip, guys. So it took me about $2,000. So I made about, what am I, 1,600 points right now. It cost me $2,000 to hold one micro NQ contract. And I'm going to open my broker right now. And I'm going to tell you where I'm at right now. So $2,000 was how much capital I needed to hold that contract. Okay. So that was basically the capital I set aside. And right now I have an unrealized profit of $3.2 thousand. So I'm going to trail that soon. But as of right now, I have a profit of $3.2 thousand. So I've been able to take that $2,000 worth of contract. It's up to $5.2 thousand right now, guys. And I shared this with you guys every single day. Go look on the YouTube. We share this. I told you guys when I got in. When we came down here, I told you that I was feeling scared. I put the stop loss to break even. And the Fibonacci came in again here. From this low to high, you can see the Fibonacci with the 786 saved me. And we took it straight back up. And the only thing I regret is not adding one more time on that inside bar. I regret not doing that. And I will say, guys, that I let the media, like I did let Twitter, I did let all those people get to me. I did allow it a little bit. And because normally with me, I would have went in with a lot more size. I definitely would have went in with a lot more size than I normally do. But hey, green is green, and I can't complain. All right, guys. So hit me with a 10. Hit me with a 10 if you follow me. Did you follow this challenge? Did you do something? Did you make some money with this? You know, and I was honestly, guys, it was my bad for not making this into 10 or 15K. Right? It was my bad for that. It definitely was my bad. I could have been there right now, and I could have, would have, should have, but at least I had the balls to do it. And I got bashed every single day on Twitter. I got bashed, guys. I got bashed hard. I'm telling you, like, I got people DMing me. I got people on my post. They're like, oh, you really think the market is going down? It's a recession. The market is crashing. The market this and that and that and that and that. And I just said, oh, your charts don't work. Your fibs don't work. But at the end of the day, I did something and I'm proud of it. And I want you to feel the same way. I want you to do something for yourself to better your life. I don't care what it is, and be proud about it at the end of the day. Whether you win or lose, be proud that you were different. Be proud that you stood out and you did something different, guys. Okay, be proud of that. All right. So my plan here is I'm going to start trailing here. I'm probably going to start trailing this weekly candle here. So at least I can lock in about $1,000 at least. And what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm also going to be looking for the next opportunity to add again, maybe one more contract here. I'm going to be looking for that if we have a nice Fibonacci setup. And I'm going to be sharing that in my Discord with everybody. So I just want to show you guys, look, this is how I turned 5K into 80K. I did it with MES, micro S&P. I did it with the NQ this time. And I just want to show you guys, like, it's not like, it doesn't have to be you full port your account into a 0 days to expire option and beg for mercy. This was a systematic way. I got futures contract with no expiry, with no theta, gamma, beta. So when we went up and down, up and down, up and down like this, when we went through this period of time, guys, let me ask you a question. What would have happened to your option contracts right there? Even though your entry is here, what would have happened to your option contracts in this period of time when this was happening? What would have happened? Okay. What would have happened was you would have lost not only on the movement, but you would have lost on the Greeks, and you would have lost on the time decay. The time decay would have destroyed you. But with the futures, I sat through it. Look, worst case scenario, I would go break even. So I really want to show you the power, and we're doing so much more with futures, and I'm going to do a lot more with futures with you guys. All right. I promise you, I'm going to do a lot more. So let's keep going. I can feel it. This year is going to be great. I feel like we went through the toughest time already. It took a lot of hate, and I came out on the other side yesterday, FOMC today, and with this swing, we did it. Okay, guys, we did it. We did it as a team, and I appreciate you guys. All right, I really do. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, guys, so that's an update there. We went through SPY. The trigger was insane, and then I have the tweet right here just to show you where I called out that golden zone play. And that's pretty much it. Okay, the 100 trade challenge. Let's see if there's anybody that posted any new ones in here. So this is Discord. So no, so we haven't had any members put their new 100 trade challenge. So I'll be looking to show you guys that. All right. Trading Wars golden indicators. This is the holy grail and the inside outside bars. Let me just link that in the chat so you guys can go ahead and get that. And if you want the Nirvana, which is the one in blue, just join the Discord and you'll get that for life. All right, guys. Look, as always, check me out only at tradingwars.com only. If you get any one of my 3 books, guys, you get 1 month for free in my room. Okay, you get 1 month for free. You can trade live with me every single day, just like the callouts you see. All right, or you can sign up directly here on the main page. The Trading Wars bundle is for people that are a little bit more serious and want to have 4 months in the room right up front and have a one-on-one with me and all the indicators and everything. I put together a special bundle for you guys. I just want to say something here. It's come to my attention that, some people have been repackaging my stuff, and I heard that someone charged somebody $3,000 for my books and my indicators. And I'll always say this, guys, when you're dealing with me, when you're dealing with Rich, it's tradingwars.com only. Not on Instagram, none of that, guys. Tradingwars.com. This is the only way I can protect you. There's been many people that have been trying to sell my indicators, the same ones I give you for free, and sell my books. And that's why, guys, I make sure that if you get a book, you get 1 month for free in my Discord, because that's the only way I can protect my intellectual property. Otherwise, people are just bootlegging, right? So make sure, guys, tradingwars.com. That's the only place. Okay, that's the only place where you can find me at. Let's go ahead and hit some scans on Trendspider right now and see if there's anything that stands out for tomorrow. So I'm here on the blue raindrop. So we have all of the financials. JPM, tight blue raindrop. We could see the last time we had some. We did have some movement. This one was a nice one over here. Nothing too crazy. Let's look at Bank of America. Interesting spot for a blue raindrop. So those are definitely ones we can watch for tomorrow. Let's go ahead here and look for any holy grails. I don't think we'll have any. None that I trade. Oh, Boeing. Boeing is a nice one. You could see the last holy grail we had on Boeing, May 23rd, huge rally, as well as April 11th, nice little rally. So we could be looking for that. Boeing is a nice one, so we'll keep an eye on that. And let's go ahead and look for the Nirvana. That's the wrong one. It should be this one. No Nirvanas that stand out to me. All right, guys, look, if you're interested in my scans and my indicators and everything for Trendspider, if you're already a member, just email them. I have the email right here. Okay. So I have the email. It's a part of my FAQ. So email, where are they at? Those are here are the fibs on here, by the way, for anyone that wants to use my fibs. Where are they at? Where are they at? Right here. Am I going blind? Hello. So there you go. hello@trendspider.com. Just email them. If you're already a member of Trendspider, you'll get all my scans, all my hookups by joining my affiliate, or you can use code TWZ30 at checkout for 30% off. All right, ready? Let's do this. Lotto Friday tomorrow. We're going to hit it hard. We have some crazy picks for tomorrow, guys. I'm going to post them right now. MU, I'm going to be looking to hammer MU tomorrow, guys. Look at MU right here. Pull that up. Very nice inside bar MU, man. MU is one of my favorite lotto picks, so we'll be hammering that tomorrow. I'm about to post that pick in a second. Okay, I'm gonna post the full plan in the Discord as well. Thank you for your time. Appreciate you. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know how you're feeling. You want futures? You want fibs? What do you want? Leave a comment. This is for you. Okay, this is for you. So you let me know. I want this channel to grow. I want to help people. I want to know what people have questions about. So leave a comment, and we'll also have a chance to win the giveaway that we do on Sunday. I know what I give. I know my value, and I know that we can be a main channel on YouTube. We can, because every single day I show my trades. I show my commentary step by step. I don't hide nothing from anybody, guys. So I really feel that like we can grow together and we can take over this game, because who else is doing it like this? Who else is teaching like this, guys? I'm sure there's a lot of people that are there, but I have a different perspective. So let's get there. Subscribe, okay? Listen, after 25K subs, I'm going to give away $500, okay? Let's get to 25K. I'm going to give away $500. We're going to make it work. Thank you so much for your time. You guys are the best. Appreciate you guys, all right? Take care, my friends.